Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Broken Finger Gaming once again with some tips, tricks, and tutorials for ARMA Infusion Reforger. Anyways, I'm just going to show you a quick little tip here and actually how I did this little plowed field here. Kind of looks kind of cool, right? It's kind of all in unison. I did have a little bit of area to here that got missed. However, that's an easy fix. But let me just show you exactly how I did this. Okay, get out of there. All right, so now we're back into the Infusion engine here. Now you can see actually how it looks right here from here. Okay, so getting into the terrains. Here's a perfect one right here. So we have the looks like a darker soils and areas that are green, and of course these are all shadows from trees that I've been kind of working on. Like I said, this is a pretty big map. You know, if you go dive out or just stretch out here a little bit, you can see there's a lot of fields to work out here. So anyways, let's go back down into here, and where do we just go? Over here. All right, so I lost it. No, there it is. Okay, we're all good. Okay, so how I did this. In your left-hand screen here, you're going to see that you actually have your splines, entities, shape entities. Now, if I hit the V key on my keyboard, go to Vector Tool, make sure it says Snap to Terrain. I'm going to hit the new spline. All right. So I'm just going to do this once, and I'm going to make a straight line. Okay. Now, where I found this added generator, it was actually under ARMA Reforger Prefabs Wheat Generators Decals Flower Bed. That's where I found it. So there's been actually a few people that I've noticed online that are actually kind of having a hard time trying to find this. So I thought I'd just do a quick little tutorial on where you're going to find this. Also too, if you're looking for decals, like let's see, I've got a few written down here. So I've got oh, where the heck did it go? It is, bear with me guys, it is called composition decal underscore dirt patch decal underscore dirt patch 3. So these are the areas that if you go into ARMA Reforger, and you will be able to just type composition, capital D ECAL, and it'll bring it right up. Okay, it's pretty simple. Little trick there for you. So getting into this, so what I do here is I take this that I found and I just drag it over. Okay, whammo. Now if you look at the left hand side, you'll see that if you open it up, you've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm just going to go once again. You've got your line, your spline that you just put down, and of course you've got the temp generator that you put down as well. It comes as like a little package that's combined together. But to do this correctly, excuse me, is you take Shift key and you highlight all 3. Okay, I'm going to go Control C for copy. You're going to hit on your map. Make sure you go down and slightly take a look down to see exactly where you're going to be putting this, because sometimes if you're not looking at it straight on, you might screw it up. And of course, just tap on where you want it. I want mine right there. Control V and Control V again, and of course once again Control V, and whammo. Make sure you hit save. Let's jump down there and take a look and see of our beautiful magic that we just made with this field. Once again, all fields like this are never the same, but you can go in there if you want to do a spline and make a line like that goes around it. You can just kind of give it a little bit of a decor, right? Like farmers do, right? It's pretty cool. So here we have this. As you can see, you covered a lot of ground as opposed to using a paintbrush. I think this one looks way better. I also tried too that when you're trying to spread these out here, it doesn't look good. So you cannot widen this. If you widen it, it's going to go to shit. Okay, and I use that pretty much, wisely, just speaking the truth here, because I tried it. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good night. Please like and subscribe if you thought this was useful. And yeah, be safe. Have a great evening. Cheers.